pH measurement of meat. Meat is a very popular protein-rich food. Packaged meat products have a big share in the food industry. Its quality is determined by characteristics, namely taste, freshness, appearance, tenderness, and juiciness. These characteristics in the final packaged meat depend on its pH value. pH is an indication of the intrinsic properties of meat, like the water binding capacity, which has to be optimum. Thus, it is very important for industries to perform the pH measurement of meat during various stages of manufacturing, such as processing, quality evaluation, packaging. Fresh meat has a typical pH, and if the measured pH value is below a certain limit, it may indicate rancidity of the sample. Common challenges when measuring the pH of meat. It is difficult to pierce the solid meat sample with a pH electrode having a spherical shape for measurement. High fat and protein content from the meat sample can clog the ceramic junction, thereby preventing the electrolyte from mixing with the sample. High fat content in the meat sample can lead to deposition on glass membrane, resulting in fluctuating readings and high response time. Sample preparation method, like grinding and blending of meat sample into a paste, is time-consuming and can introduce errors. Mettler Toledo's solution to these challenges is a specialist sensor InLab Solids Pro ISM, which is easy to use, maintenance-free, and delivers desirable performance. This electrode has a spear-shaped tip made of thick, toughened glass that allows direct insertion into the solid meat samples. This spear-shaped pH-sensitive membrane is made of LOT glass, which has a low resistance, which helps in faster results. The electrode has an open junction, which avoids clogging and is easy to clean. Because of the solid zero-light polymer reference electrolyte system, the electrode interacts with the sample through diffusing ions, hence eliminating the difficulties associated with immiscibility of aqueous reference electrolyte with the sample. Also, no refilling of electrolyte is required. This electrode has an inbuilt temperature probe. Thanks to the intelligent sensor management, the electrode's name, serial number, and calibration data is stored in the electrode itself. Calibrate the electrode with pH buffer solutions from Mettler Toledo. Use the buffers to bracket the sample pH range. Measure the pH by gently piercing the electrode into the piece of meat sample. Make sure that the open junction is completely immersed into the sample. Repeat the measurement at various positions to obtain a representative pH reading. Alternatively, a slit can be made to ease the electrode insertion into the sample mass. Mettler Toledo also offers a range of portable pH meters. Any of these single or dual-channel portable pH meters can be connected to your sensor of choice, ensuring comfortable one-handed operation, thus making inline measurements easier. Some tips and hints to ensure quick and accurate results. For thorough cleaning of the sample residues from the electrode membrane after the measurement, clean it with a mild soapy solution, and then rinse it with the ionized water. Regular maintenance is very important for prolonging the lifetime of the pH electrode. Reconditioning of the electrode in 0.01 molar hydrochloric acid is recommended. Soak the electrode in Pepsin HCl solution for 1 hour once a week to remove protein buildup on the glass membrane. The pH range for InLab Solids Pro ISM is 1 to 11 pH units, and hence, it should not be exposed to harsh acidic or alkaline chemicals. Store the electrode in lab storage solution when not in use. So, finding the right pH electrode for your meat samples is no longer difficult. Use our in-lab Solids Pro ISM and achieve higher accuracy for your measurements.